Here we have two shapes. This one is a cube and this looks like a house. And now we are going to separate top face of this cube. Here we have separate geometry and this is compare node. If I plug this result in this selection, then we will have top face. That is because it is 1 on the Z. But if I increase this epsilon, slowly you can see now this top face is visible. If I increase it even more, now the side faces are visible, but bottom faces are not visible. If I increase it even more, and now all the faces are visible. So what is epsilon and how it works? For that I have prepared this example, and there is another one. Both are same, just this one has animated value. And how to animate? But first let me show you the example, then I will explain how to animate. I am on keyframe 0. No, this is keyframe 1. Okay. If I plug this result in this selection, so in the start, epsilon is 0 and these arrows are representing degree of influence. So let's play the animation. As these arrows are moving downward, you can see these faces are appearing along with it. Now all the faces are visible. Let's play it again. This is when epsilon is 0 and it is increasing, and now it is 1, close to 1. And when it is 1, then side faces are visible. And you can also consider these arrows are face normals. So those faces are visible whose face normal is 90 degree from positive z axis. And if I move it again, and now all of them are visible. So this epsilon node, it is just like degree of influence, and this is how it works. And now let me tell you how to animate these values. So here we have this node, and let me plug this will go in this selection. Select this object because this have the node, and now right click on the epsilon, insert a keyframe, or just hover above it and press I. But before that, let's reset it to 0 and reset the timeline. Move it like this or hold shift and press left arrow. And now hover above it, press I. Make sure this node is selected, and now we have this keyframe, and move it till this point. Once again, change this value to 2. Once again, press I. And now it is animated. Press space to play, and now it is playing. So this is how this epsilon works, and that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.